I'm forecaster Eric Poston from NeoWeather.com. Here are your weather headlines here on Thursday, February 20th, 2014. Well, expect warmer conditions today with rain. We'll talk about our thunderstorm chances and if they will turn severe. And snow returns for next week. We'll tell you just exactly when the next shot of snow will arrive. Taking a look at the NeoWeather 3D Max this morning, we have our storm system here. We've got showers and storms from Chicago to St. Louis, and we've got snow showers here through the plains with some heavier snow showers embedded in there. As we take a closer look home here, we've got a leading edge of some mixed precipitation moving through here, just moving through Findlay and heading up towards the border there. That will continue to make its way northeast. It is moving. A lot of this rain is going to stay to our west, as you can see here. But we're keeping an eye on those temperatures this morning. Most of us are in the 20s. So, with that being said, there could be some, as you can see, things are starting to warm to the west here up into the 30s already, as many of these locations are reporting some rain showers. So, there could be a little leading edge freezing rain, but as you can see here to the south, there are a few showers that will be making their way into our area, but the better shot of rain looks to come later in the day, as most of this rain is staying to the west. And here's some pretty good snows that will be going up here towards the thumb of Michigan, a little bit of snow showers. But for us, it will be all rain with this system, not expecting any snow showers. Taking a look ahead here on our futurecast, it is picking up almost perfectly on this system so far. You can see the showers and thunder mostly back off to our north and west. But this line will be making its way in here. And sorry about that. And there it comes through. And then we see this break here during the afternoon before we start to see some more showers and storms. Now this is what we're going to be watching as the cold front comes through late tonight into tomorrow morning. Look at this line here. This could be some very strong winds. We'll talk about this a little bit more in detail. But there definitely could be a line of storms that rolls through here later on. And we're going to be watching that very closely. But then things do dry out quickly. And we stay relatively dry really through the period as I take this out. A few snow showers possible over the weekend. And then we'll keep an eye on this system that decided to blow up on the models. Now this is as we make our way into Sunday. So we'll keep an eye on this. This would be some snow, more than likely, so we'll keep an eye on that as we make our way towards Sunday, as it has snowed the last 4 Sundays in a row, so why not make it 5, right? Taking a look at our almanac, 47 and 37 were the numbers for the day on Thursday, and that 47 was reached early, actually during the overnight hours, as we actually saw that front move through and temperatures dropped through the afternoon. We kind of held in the 40s. But we were still above the averages of 39 and 24. Our records are 69 set in 1930 and -3 set in 1968. No precipitation on the day. 2.05 for the month, 4.05 for the year. Sunrise at 7:15 and sunset is 6:07. So we have a flood watch across much of our area other than Tuscarawas, Carroll, and Columbiana County. The flood watch covers Thursday night through Friday morning. Is pretty much handles that second batch of rain that we showed you, and some thunder even included in that, as we will see some heavier rain. Anybody could pick up possibly up to an inch in a few spots, maybe even a little over if you get into a heavier sector of some rain and thunder. So if you live near a flood prone area, stay updated on that. In addition, we've got a wind advisory for everyone from 1 a.m. to 7 p.m. Friday. Wind gusts in excess of 45 miles an hour during this period. And I want to make a note that it will remain windy even into Saturday, but not quite advisory windy. So our severe weather risk we've got to talk about. Well, we have a low risk across much of the state, other than areas here along the PA border from Ashtabula through Youngstown. But most of us in that low risk, other than Dayton to Cincinnati, you are in a medium risk for severe weather. That's your best shot at seeing some severe weather today, especially in the southern part of the state. We showed you that line that is expected to move through with the cold front later, and it stretched pretty much the entire state. The main concern here is strong winds and heavy rainfall. So you're going to want to stay updated as this we make our way into the afternoon and evening. We'll be updating everything on as far as our chances for severe weather, but definitely there is a risk that we could see some severe weather today, with the main threat being heavy rain and strong winds, as I mentioned. So we'll talk about today. We're starting out cold, 25 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Then we showed you that first batch of rain that is making its way into northeastern Ohio. That will be around 11 a.m. We'll start to warm up into the 30s. Then this afternoon, partly sunny in a few locations. Some sun peeking through, help things warm up, kind of juice up that atmosphere a little bit, get it ready for some storms that'll be arriving tonight. I think we'll just see a chance for a few storms around 5 p.m. I think the better shot of storms come in during the overnight, but we're going to top out near 50. Few places could stay under 50, few places could go over 50. It's all going to depend on how much sunshine you see. Southeast winds 15 to 20, 70% chance of getting rained on today. So here are your rain and storms. Looks like from about 7 p.m. through 2 a.m. we'll be watching this, and then our cold front will sweep through and will pretty much dry out as we make our way into the morning. But temperatures there, 50 at 7 p.m., 48 at 11, 47, then we'll really start to drop off once that front comes through, 38. South winds 20 to 25 there, gusts to 45 as we mentioned, 90% chance of precipitation. Moving forward, that 47 is your high that will be set after midnight. We'll be falling into the 30s during the afternoon. Could be a few AM showers clearing out during the afternoon. It's going to be a little bit colder again for Saturday. Partly sunny, 38, not horribly cold, but remaining a little windy. Sunday, mostly cloudy skies, 31. Now, we got to keep an eye on that snow that decided to show up on the latest future view. We'll keep an eye on that. Might have to throw in some some snow. And I don't know why there's a rain chance on Sunday night. That shouldn't be there. But so mostly cloudy for Sunday night. Ignore that. Partly sunny, 22 for Monday. A chance for some snow arrives on Tuesday and Wednesday. And look at these temperatures again. Monday we're 22, 24, and then we're crashing back into the teens as we make our way into Wednesday. Some more bitter cold air, and it could actually get a little bit colder the next couple of days following that. I know nobody wants to hear that, so I'll just keep it brief. I'm forecaster Eric Poston. Make sure you stay connected with us by visiting our website, neoweather.com, and interacting with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. NeoWeather, Ohio's home for weather.